Here's a little bit of a garden tour and our winter garden starting. I've been out in the yard looking around, seeing what kind is growing, whatever. I took a few pictures and then I went up in the garden. We've been running deer off again today. And no, we have not got no money to put a fence around our garden, or we would done did that. We barely can haul in the dirt to do it every year. That's $500 right there every year, just hauling dirt in to do this stuff with. No, we're not. We can't do that. I wish we could. That would save a lot of headaches for us, but we just can't do it. And somebody sent us one of them noisy makers for the garden. Well, it don't work on them deer's hair. It's just like they're used to humans. You can tell them to get and everything. No, they do not get. They just look at you like you're stupid. Here's what they've done to our beans, our stuff. See this whole big path they've cleaned out? Where they should have been beans and all kinds of stuff. Sweet potatoes, you name it. They've been going through here, breaking limbs and stuff, and stealing tomatoes, eating them tomatoes and leaving them, you name it, big old holes in them. Been eating the tops off of my bell peppers. Been eating our cantaloupe. A deer can do some damage to your garden. And no, we ain't got money to be putting up fences, or we would done had it. We already have to buy all the dirt for this, to do this. Can't afford much nothing else. Yeah, our sweet potatoes, cucumbers, you name it, they've ate them up. We've still got pumpkins and butternut squash and cushaw if they don't eat all the plants up from it. And pumpkins. So, I don't know. If they don't eat no more, we might still get a few of something. But we don't go to the grocery store. We mostly eat what we can at home. Here's a big pumpkin. Here's another pumpkin. And another pumpkin. And another pumpkin. Here's the beginning of my winter garden. Turnips, mustard greens, Swiss chard, beans, and beans. These are bush beans. Look at these vines taking over the porch. See over there on that vine right there? That's a big watermelon on that. And we've got cucumbers coming out the butt on that fence there, and squash. If y'all want to raise cucumbers, that's how to do it. Put it on a little bitty fence. It will grow good. Or your butternut squash, either one.